Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Aroma Kicks. Now, if you've been following the channel for a little bit, especially over the past few weeks, I've really been getting into these guys right here, flat caps or scally caps or drivers or peakies or newsboards. There's so many different kinds and different flavors, so to speak, of these caps as well. But anyway, I've really been getting into, maybe I'm just digging them, but I think they're dope. I think they're cool. I like they tell stories behind them. Like this one right here, I've got a Braves pin on it because I had to make it a Braves cap. But if you take it off and look, this is actually called the Uke from Boston Scally Company. And of course, that has a Red Sox cap, Kevin Youkilis, right? So they call it the Uke. So Red Sox fans, don't hate on me, but I had to accessorize and make it a Braves hat. Anyway, I'm a sucker for mystery boxes. I've done it before with sneakers. I've done it before with other, apparel. But there's a company called Funky Brims right here. Funky Brims. They sell a lot of hats. They sell flannels. They sell a lot of great things. I've been to their site multiple times. As a matter of fact, I've got their site pulled up because I bought a $70 mystery box. Let's see, did I get my money's back at least? Did I get caps that I think are actually cool? I want to see what I got in here. We're going to unbox it live right now on this channel. Roll the tape. All right, so first things first, welcome back to Aroma Kicks. Hey, if you like sneakers, if you like fragrances, if you like fashion, if you like men's caps, ball caps, new era, I'm talking baseball, I'm talking flat caps, scally caps, you found the right place over here on YouTube. We do content on all of it, all right? But most of all, we like to have fun over this channel. And before I ask you to subscribe, please let me earn that from you. If you find anything of value in today's video or any of my other videos, then please consider doing so. And if you enjoy today's content, hit the thumbs up button for me. Now, I'm excited. I'm anxious. Again, I do have I have the site pulled up right here, Funky Brims, so that we can actually go through and find the caps or whatever I get inside of this mystery box. We can go in and find and see, did I get my money's worth? And to be honest, it was $70 again. I think they still have them out there. I don't know, but it was $70. So I'm like, you know what the heck? Let me go ahead and get it and unbox it live with you guys and see what I got. So cutting up the tape right here. First thing we have is we have paper. We have purple paper. Funky Brims. Man, I dig the name. It's pretty dope. So you got this purple tissue paper right here for the boxing. And here are the caps. The first cap we have is this guy right here. Now, this is a single panel cap. Okay, single panel cap, and this one is made by this brand right here. It's okay. I mean, I don't know. I don't have any. This is my no. I do have a single panel over there too. Most of mine are like 8 panels or 6 panel caps. I do have one 5 panel, but I don't have many single panel caps. So let's see how this one looks. Again, this one is from the company Hologram Paris, and on the back right there, there is a price tag. And the price tag actually says $50. So again, I only paid $70 for this. Let me go to their site and see if this was actually on here. Hologram Paris. Let's see. Where we go. Caps. Brands. Yeah. So there's all the brands right there that you can purchase from their site. There's Hologram Paris in the middle. Let's click on that. This one says Patchwork. Patchwork right there on the tag, what that says, which of course you can tell that's a patchwork cap. And so, yeah, I mean, I'm scrolling through here. There's various patchwork. I'm not going to hold you guys, but there's various patchwork caps. And it looks like they're all running between $50 and $60. So, I mean, whether I like the colors or not, I don't know, man. I think this little red fan thing right here is kind of dope. Let's check it out. All right, get it on here. Get it on the dome, so to speak. There it is, guys. Single panel Hologram Paris from Funky Brims out of the mystery box. Get down in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. I actually like it. Now that I got it on and I'm looking at it over here in my camera, now I'm looking at y'all. Now I'm looking at the camera, looking at me on screen. I like it. I'm keeping it. Some of these I'd get on eBay if I don't like it. I get on there and kind of, I guess, sell them and get some of my money back. I'm going to keep this guy. I like it. Get down in the comments and let me know what you think about it. Again, Hologram Paris. Next up, okay, this one's got actually wrapping on the inside of it right here. And the price tag on this one says $60. So that's 110 right there. It's 110 bucks. I paid 70. This one is actually from Funky Brims themselves. So there's the tag for Funky Brims. Look at the colors on this guy. You've got, look at the materials too. You've got corduroy. So there's corduroy right there. This is another, well, it's not really a single panel because it's got a seam. I don't know what you'd call this one. You guys that are these flat cap connoisseurs, get down and let me know. I'm not really sure what this one is called. Let me go to the Funky Brims and see if I can find this one. Scrolling down through here. Let's see. This thing is eccentric looking, ain't it? Check this out while I'm kind of scrolling right here. Where is this one at? Maybe it's not on their site anymore. I'm just going to go like another page or two and then I'll just stop. Oh, hold on. There it is. This is actually called the Butcher Hale Speed Shop in collaboration with Funky Brims collab flat cap. It was 70 bucks. Now it's $60. There it is right there. Right over here. So another it is a $60 cap, and it is a collaboration cap with Hales, Hales. So I got a collab hat, man. That's dope. That's dope. Ooh, this one fits good. This one fits really good. Soft. Got that corduroy material. You guys get down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think on this one right here. How does this one look? I'll tell you, it fits really nice. The brim right there. The brim is in corduroy, like a blue corduroy. I like the colors on this too, man. This one, and then the inside of it's like this mesh interior, real soft, man. I can tell this is gonna be great for the summertime. And man, this thing fits great. I did go with a 59 centimeter because with Boston Scally Company, I wear a medium to large. My head measures a 60, but every time I put a 60 on, it's way too big. So I went with a 59 for my mystery box. But yeah, you guys get down in the comments and let me know what you think about this one right here. Have you heard of the Hales collaboration? I'm new to this. Like I said, I've only been collecting for about a month now, spending way too much money on it, but it is what it is. All right. And then the last one, let's see what the last one, we got some pins. We got some hat pins in here. We got these guys right here. We'll unbox these too. I've already made my money back. So that's 60 and 50. That's 110 right there. And then you got this guy right here. This is a Funky Brims as well. And look at this. This thing is all mesh, guys. This is super light. I can actually see through this. Now, this one is awesome. This one's my favorite. This one's my favorite. I like the little Hales collaboration. I know that's probably a hype one. But this is my favorite. Hey, I scored on this one. So you get 3 hats. I scored. I think I did pretty good with mine. Thank you, Funky Brims. If you're watching this video, I don't know. But if you are, I like my mystery box. You got a customer of me, and I will be coming back and getting me another one. But yeah, check this one out right here. This one, let me see if I actually scrolled down just a tad, and there it is. It's the tan mesh. So there's the Butcher that I got right there. There's the Butcher. And then if you scroll down a couple of hats, there's this one, the tan mesh. And it's $55, guys. So that's 110 and 50. That's $165 for 70 bucks. Guys, that's a good deal. I don't know where I come from. That's a good deal. But what do y'all think about this? The tan mesh, and it is so lightweight. Fits perfect. This is going to be a daily driver for me. I love this cap. I love this cap. I'm so glad that I did this. I don't know, some mystery boxes you hit on, some you don't hit on. I think I scored on this guy. So one last look. Here's the 3 caps. I got the tan mesh right here, $55 retail. I got the what was this one called? The Hales Butcher. The Hales Butcher, 60 bucks right here. So I got this one on right now. And then this one right here was this Paris cap, flat cap. It was like in between 50 and 60 bucks. So there's that one there. There's all 3 caps that I got in the Funky Brims mystery box. So I'm happy with it, guys. Thank you again. Let's see what pins I got. And these pins aren't cheap either, guys. Pins typically go. Let me put that mesh one back on. I like the mesh, the tan mesh, man. Actually, let me go with the blue because I got a blue shirt on. Let me go with the Hales Butcher. Let me go with that one. Yeah, let's check out the pins real quick. So they gave me a plethora of pins, and these things aren't cheap. They're like in between, I'd say $5 to $10. Some of them may be like 12 bucks. So I already got close to $200 worth of hats, and then they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They gave me 6 pins, guys. I got this one right here. I don't know what that is. Looks like a little coffee or something with a witch's cap on it. So I got that one. Maybe a Halloween kind of theme. I got what is this right here? Little bells. I guess that's for Christmas. Christmas time bells. I got a little elf dude. So 2 Christmas themed pins right there. Little elf guy. I do have the what is it? The Nutcracker from Boston Scally. So I think those would look good on the Nutcracker. Check this out. Got freaking Beavis and Butthead. I used to watch Beavis and Butthead back in the day, back in the 90s, man. I was in high school back then. That's definitely going to go on some cap. I don't know which one yet, but Beavis and Butthead is dope. I like that. I got a Frankenstein with the Bride of Frankenstein, which, by the way, the new Frankenstein movie is awesome if you haven't seen it. Well, I say new. I think it came out last year, but it's a dope movie. So there's a little Frankenstein love thing. I guess you could put that on for maybe a Valentine's Day cap. And then the last one, this is a Van Gogh. That's a little Van Gogh painting right there. That's pretty dope, right? So even if you added these up at just $5 a piece, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's $30 more, and I know they're more than that. So, guys, I really did. I feel like I almost hit the jackpot with this mystery box right here. I think I did great. I definitely got over $200 worth of goods for $70. So, again, shout out to Funky Brims. I will tell you, they just opened up a store. Let me find their address real quick so I can throw them a quick shout out and promotion. Let me see their home right here. Here it is, now open, brand new. Their store is at 106. Oh, it fell off. Hold on. Chris and Sarah Lopp are the owners, so shout out to them. I am here to support you guys. Come see us in person in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, 106 South Main Street, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. So if you're around that area, which I'm not, I'm close to Atlanta, Georgia. But if I'm ever out there, guys, I'm going to come check y'all out. I love your hats. I love what you're doing. I'm here to support you. And yeah, I'll be getting another mystery box. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, hit the content. If you did, hit that thumbs up button for me. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I am out of here. And this hat is dope. I really like it.